Yeah. One of the first weddings that I saw a videotape at, and this was really funny, they had the videographer going through the wedding, but people weren't aware that the camera was there. It was hysterical. It was hysterical. Can you believe, do you think the bride's pregnant? She looks a little fat to me. It was great. It was wonderful.
That's a fun way to do
But they
that,
just
though.
weren't, you know, and
Impromptu.
yeah, people just forgot it was there, and it was great.
That would be hilarious. Actually, I would love my wedding to have been filmed like that.
We're not doing video.
No, I wouldn't do it. It's just asking for disaster.
We'll do that same little thing. I'll give you a little countdown.
I have a couple friends that are cinematography
and
pictures,
one.
and they
And a
do
little
different
turn.
events around Columbus, like
And
about
pause.
mitzvahs
And then a little
just, like,
turn.
Oh,
how much?
Should we do it again? Maybe when I turn, I'll hold my arm up so you can see the burn.
That's
I
right.
don't
Yes.
know. He's
And I'll count you back in, right?
reasonable. I think.
Three,
Because we have a
two,
show that we're
and
looking
one.
for somebody to
And
come
we'll
and
do a little
do
turn.
videography, so
Okay,
we can put
I
it
love
on
that.
Awesome.
He's
Pause.
really
And a little
awesome.
turn
Is he?
back.
Oh,
Very
nice.
I don't think
Woo! Let's do that again.
CCTV with me.
We just don't have a very good.
With that.
I don't think he has a website, but he probably has like links to like different
And
videos on
one.
Vimeo and YouTube
And a
that you
little
guys
turn.
can look at to see.
Okay.
what
We
he's
fly
done.
South to San Diego.
And a little turn.
Free.
You got it. Good. Sweet, Heather. Good work.
Good.
Nice.
Honestly,